Oh my good Lord. What are these people that are trying to show online on YouTube how to make a proper pasta carbonara recipe? Oh my God. I'm going to have to do a proper video on this, so that everybody knows exactly how to make a proper pasta carbonara. Two things. There are 5 ingredients only. No extras, no peas, no mushrooms, no any other of this bullshit. 5 ingredients. All right? Pasta, black pepper, eggs, pecorino cheese, and guanciale. Or if you can't find guanciale, which is the pig cheek, then you can use pancetta. Don't use bacon. Don't use bacon. Pancetta or original recipe, pecorino, yeah, pecorino's already in there. Guanciale, which is the cured pig cheek. All right? No mushrooms, no peas, no carrots, no blah, 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 blah. Good Lord. And here's the one rule that is unbreakable when you're making a pasta carbonara. Do not add cream. Period. If you do, you're not making a proper carbonara. I'm going to do a video and I'm going to show you exactly how to make a proper pasta carbonara that is made specifically where it was invented, in Italy, in Rome. Okay? Oh, all of these recipes on YouTube. It's crazy. It's stupid. People throw this in, throw that in. Even Guy Fieri screws it up because he throws peas and stuff into it. No, you don't do that. That's sacrilege. Good grief. I'm doing the recipe and I'm going to do a video on it and I'm going to post it. So stay in touch, stay tuned, and you will see how to make a proper pasta carbonara with no cream and no extras. 5 ingredients only. Okay? Preparable Actual out.